Shaangu continues to carry forward our civilization and write a new chapter in development. More than 50 years of trials and hardships witnessed our arduous efforts, pioneering and struggling. Every innovation has changed our ways of production and life. With the goals of peak carbon dioxide emissions and carbon neutrality, plied with the irreversibility of energy, we are trying constantly to find the approach to energy transition with the insights for green manufacturing. Headquartered in Xi'an, a 1,000-year-old city, Shaangu continues to carry forward our civilization and write a new chapter in development. More than 50 years of trials and hardships witnessed our arduous efforts, pioneering and struggling spirits. Stretched its business as an equipment manufacturer, but continuing to break through its limits by innovation and research, concentrated on the market's demand. Today's Shaangu has become a systematic solution provider and systematic service provider for distributed energy applications. Facing the new normal of economic development, Shaangu, industrial enterprise with energy gene for over 50 years, actively responds to the national energy supply side structural reform, focuses its business on distributed energy field, and takes to create intelligent green energy for human civilization as its mission. By aiming at multi-industry energy high-efficiency utilization and environmental protection, Shaangu is deepening the transformation of service-oriented manufacturing based on the interconnection concept of supply side, demand side, and technology side. Shaangu has innovatively developed a systematic solution. Shaangu Energy Interconnection Symbiosis System, which realizes to provide customized intelligent systematic solutions for the fields of industrial process, smart city, and military civilian fusion industry, as well as markets along the Belt and Road, and achieve function saving, equipment saving, operation cost saving, and land saving on customer side. Customer-oriented, but not product-oriented. By taking the systematic distributed energy solutions as its business center, Shaangu provides customers with 7 main businesses, including equipment, engineering, operation, industrial service, financing, supply chain, and intelligent industry, etc. Over the past 4 years, the main economic indicators of Shaangu have shown a sharp growth in double, even triple digit. In 2021, Shaangu has achieved a new chapter of development under actively practicing its market value of customer demand as the orientation. Its total orders increased by 61% to 53.790 billion yuan, and their revenues exceeded 28.301 billion yuan, which has played the role of state-owned enterprises and helped the green and high-quality development of social economy. High-efficient and eco-friendly energy conversion equipment is the basic for energy saving in the industrial process. To some extent, which could make our sky bluer, water cleaner, and air fresher. Through continually technical innovation, 6 technologies from Shaangu have won the award of National Science and Technology Progress, and its leading products have been honored many awards, such as China Industrial Award, Top 10 Energy Saving Technologies and Best Energy Saving Practices in the World, Gold Award of Innovative Product in the World Manufacturing Conference, International Expo Gold Award, and Top 100 Suppliers in Petrochemical Industry. In 2016, Shaangu won the China Grand Award for Industry. In 2020, Shaangu Energy Interconnection Symbiosis System, an intelligent and energy-efficient solutions, was given the 6th China Grand Awards for Industry. Through the acquisition of Agro Steam Turbine in Czech, Shaangu has strengthened its whole business chain by establishing its European R&D center. Shaangu keeps its technologies and products synchronized with a world-advanced level. Shaangu Eco's reaction steam turbine portfolio covers all industrial applications with power up to 100 megawatt, efficiency over 87%, and comprehensive energy consumption reaching to leading level in the world. As the world's largest manufacturer of axial compressor and waste heat and pressure recovery turbine generator, Shaangu has independently developed AV140, the largest and most advanced axial compressor unit in the world. As the world's leading application of axial compressor technology, Shaangu has demonstrated its new level of skills and capabilities in rotor dynamics, structural design, manufacturing, and process design of super-large compressor. Going global, Shaangu's systematic solutions have spread over 100 countries and regions, including Russia, Germany, Indonesia, the Philippines, South Korea, Turkey, India, Vietnam, and the United States. The systematic solutions of Shaangu Eco have covered more than 20 countries and regions, such as the EU, Mexico, Brazil, South Africa, Argentina, Russia, and China. Committed to providing users with first-class performance and systematic and unit EPC solutions with minimum duration, Shaangu has set up an engineering design and research institute and engineering technology branch. Its business has covered metallurgy, oil and natural gas, energy and environmental protection, nitric acid chemical, industrial gas, sewage treatment, waste disposal, biomass power generation, CHP, urban construction and municipal, etc. Until now, it has undertaken more than 300 EPC projects, among which the excellent multi-field projects have been rated as industry demonstration ones. Shaangu Eco has made a number of EPC achievements in the biomass power generation. Shaangu is building a whole lifecycle intelligent design and manufacturing and cloud service system platform in an effort to make its design, process, and service more intelligent, while continually strengthening the design R&D, technological upgrading, manufacturing test, installation and debugging, maintenance and repair, and other basic capabilities. We've focused on improving the capacity building in manufacturing, supply chain system, and intelligent services to provide users with a whole lifecycle service solutions from the perspective of distributed energy, thereby escorting their safe and efficient long-cycle production and management. The Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, Shanxi Provincial Party Committee, People's Government of Shanxi Province, Xi'an Municipal Party Committee, and People's Government have promoted more than once Shaangu transformation of service-oriented manufacturing as a typical case. Shaangu has carried out operations in integrated intelligence, water integration, industrial gas, and biomass wastewater generation in industrial parks. So far, it has invested and built 16 gas projects and operated more than 10 gas plants with a scale of nearly 1 million standard cubic meters per hour, ranking among the top 3 domestic gas operators. Moreover, it has operated 5 sewage treatment plants, invested in construction and operation of distributed integrated power plants, and manned with a professional and meticulous operation team in order to reduce operating costs and create value for customers. Xi'an Yingyi Supply Chain Company Limited, established by Shaangu with several partners, combines internet technology with supply chain service and integrates the ecological resources and the whole stream of process industry to build a comprehensive service platform of internet plus finance plus supply chain plus service, integrating logistics, business flow, capital flow, information flow, energy flow, and material flow. Furthermore, relying on the industrial background accumulated from many years in the fields of steel and chemical industry, under the guideline of the National Belt and Road Strategy, and after fully considering the development trend of the industry in the future, Shaangu took its geographical advantages, created a process industry service ecosystem, and established a new mode of big logistics. By now, it is growing up to be the leader in industrial supply chain field in northwest China. Shaangu actively explores the intelligence plus mode under the internet thinking and moves from manufacturing to intelligent manufacturing. The intelligent manufacturing of Shaangu is 3-in-1 intelligent plus mode, namely intelligent products, intelligent process, and intelligent service. In continuously exploration and practice, Shaangu develops more intelligent system solutions for distributed energy applications, creating and leading customer demand. In addition, by promoting development of intelligent industry, Shaangu makes the intelligentization serve to itself and customers, and helps the transformation and high-quality development of the industrial economy. By practicing the integration of industries and finance, Shaangu has discussed the cooperation modes with more than 50 financial organizations, taking stakes in trust and guarantee companies, found Xi'an Evergreen Power Financial Leasing Company Limited and Xi'an Evergreen Funds Management Company Limited, provided customized financial solutions for customers in cooperation with financial organizations, and established 2 offshore companies in Hong Kong, China, and Luxembourg, respectively, to allocate the global resources and reduce the financing cost. By now, Shaangu has been awarded a total credit line of over 40 billion yuan RMB from 50 financial partners. There are more than 13 kinds of financial service modes for customers' option, including industry funds and financial lease, etc. Presently, Shaangu has provided financial services for more than 100 customers and over 200 projects. Shaangu has established employees' emergency rescue system to supplement the social security and carried out a series of value co-creation and sharing activities, which enhanced the cohesion of the enterprise. Because of these, Shaangu was honored National Enterprise Culture Demonstration Base, China Industrial Award, Smart Green Development Branch of China Machinery Industry Federation, Standardization Committee member of China Machinery Industry Federation, and Modern Enterprise Management Demonstration Base, etc. Besides, Shaangu undertakes social responsibilities such as Hope Project and charity activities to support local economic and social development. It has been awarded Top 10 Enterprises in Shanxi Philanthropy, China Charity Prize, and so on. Through investing in ecological engineering construction from time to time, Shaangu has a new face to the world. As the leader and promoter of a better life, Shaangu is exploring greater possibilities for lucid waters and lush mountains in each innovative R&D. Providing the dream of energy efficiency for protecting the ideal home in each solution. And injecting a sponge force to create a better tomorrow in every operation. Shaangu started from and beyond manufacturing, encourages a better life with the wisdom of excellence to create intelligent green energy for human civilization.
Selamat siang para hadirin yang berbahagia.
Every
Pada
innovation
sesi
has changed our ways of
presentasi kali
production
ini kita
and
akan
life.
kedatangan
With the
presenter
goals
dari
of peak carbon
Pt.Shaangu
dioxide
Indonesia. Kepada Pt.Shaangu Indonesia, waktu dan tempat dipersilakan. Buat para hadirin yang tertarik, Pt.Shaangu Indonesia juga punya booth-nya di ITB Integrated Career Desk hari ini. Ada booth dari Pt.Shaangu Indonesia berada di sebelah kanan dari pintu masuk, ada di dekat ujung. Kalau misalnya tertarik bisa ke sana. Terima kasih.
Hello, good afternoon. We are from Shaangu Power, China BUMN company, and my name is Stephen Chang. I'm the Deputy General Manager here, and on behalf of our company, I will give you a brief introduction about who we are, what we do, and what kind of people we are looking for. Okay? Ini adalah brief introduction of our perusahaan. The Indonesia cabang namanya Pt.Shaangu Power Indonesia. This is the table contents. Let's go it by one. Basically, we are an IPO listed company, and we are the manufacturer of heavy equipment machines, steam turbine, compressors, and all turbo machines in China. And the market, we can cover around 70 to 80% in China domestic, metallic, and petrochemical area. And we have 28 overseas institutions and 27 operating factory. This is kind of BOT or BOO. This is our milestones. From 1968, our factory was already established. Because we have very limited time here, you can try to learn it all by yourselves, and I will choose the key factor and explain it in details. Let me check. 2003, the engineering industry was established, which is our Shaangu engineering company, and also the current Shaangu PT Indonesia is the branch organization in Indonesia from this one. Let me check. Shaangu Energy. You see, in 2017, we go to our Europe and Germany Research and Development Center. So not only in China, but also in Western, we have our own technology team, and also we purchased a Czech Slovakia steam turbine company. The brand is Echo. Our technology is from Siemens. Ini adalah apa kita kita punya wilayah kerja. Aku bahasanya Indonesia ya lebih jelas. Di fertilizer, kalau di fertilizer kita sudah punya apa ya? Kita punya partner di PT pupuk Kadin Indonesia. Itunya kita sudah ada proyek sekarang lagi jalan. Itu namanya nitric acid project. Oil and gas. Untuk this area bisa pakai kita punya compressor. Urban construction itu biasanya di infrastructure in dalam China. Also, we'd like to cooperate with local governments as well. Metallurgy seperti blast furnace, we call it danur tinggi. Dan RKF itu biasanya di Sulawesi, ada kebanyakan perusahaan China lagi bangun pabrik. Kalau di Indonesia, tambangnya sangat besar, dan itu apa ya paling dikenal dunia adalah nikel, aluminium, tin. seperti ini di wilayah itu kita bisa kerja EPC, kita bisa supply equipment, fermentation dan energy, environmental protection, sepertinya apa ya? Sepertinya industry this industry hub energy land. These are two industry park we can supply and build seperti air, electricity, and also like how to say the like you build like an industry owner, they need to build a industry park. We can do all the integrated EPC projects, and also we can maintain and operate it. For pharmacy, chemical industry, generally this area will use quite a lot of centrifugal compressors. For coal chemical industry, this one also same for the compressor equipment. But for electric power and national defense, for these areas, we are good at EPC. This is our great awards we got from China and outside. Okay, this is our awards, etc. This is our hard power. It's about what we have done for manufacture and what we have done in EPC projects. And for the highest performance, you can read it below for all those issues like the equipment and also the EPC and also the BOT issues. Still soft powder. The top 100, we are of 89, and top 100 for Chinese machinery companies, we are of 29. For top 500 manufacturing companies, same. Oh, sorry. I think the soft power. Sorry, seems a bit wrong with my pen. Okay. Globalization system. Build a global market system based on the concept of mutual resources, mutual markets, and mutual shareholders. In other words, win-win situation. We do financial services such as for owners, if they are lack of finance, we can find the Chinese or overseas bank to get some of the financing solutions. Strategic leadership. This is our history of our company's development, from single product manufacturers to system solution provider and the system service provider in distributed energy sector. That's a transform. It means we are not only a supplier of manufactured machines, but also we do the integrated job. In detail, we call it 1+7 distributed energy system programs. So first one, turnkey, it means EPC. Capital finance, we help our corporate owners to get the money. Intelligence means the digital things. We can keep our machine or our projects well behaved. Supply chain, in other words, trading. Industry services, services and integrated operations. This is for our OM work. Equipment manufacturing is our previous main part of our company for turbo machines, axial compressors, centrifugal compressors, and all kinds of turbo machines. Okay, this is our current local PT company introduction, what we have done in Indonesia engineering area. Okay, This is our sub engineering company history. You can get it. And this one, Shaangu Power Engineering Technology branch. We are sales, supply, production, and research in the field of industry process, energy conservation, and environmental protection, etc. Mainly what we do. That's the explanation of EPC, design, procurement, and construction. Still the same issue. Okay, it's not very clear. Okay, this is what we have done, like in Indonesia. Sekarang kita sudah ada PT di Jakarta dan kita punya proyek ada salah satu di Sulawesi Tenggara, namanya PT OSS. Di sana mereka bangun industry park. Di sana kita sudah bangun PLTU, coal power plant, sejumlah capacity sampai 1.100 megawatt. Selain ini selesai, kita juga kerja itu ASU, Air Separation Unit, also EPC contract. After the general projects already done, kita lanjutnya operation and maintenance. Sekarang di sana di proyek kami ada 400 karyawan kurang lebih dari China dan 400 lagi sekitar dari seluruh Indonesia. Jadi di sana ada kami salah satu tim yang terbesar. Yang tim kedua kita ada di Kalimantan. Itu kita cooperate dengan Salim Group. Di sana lagi bangun nickel smelter juga, baru-baru mulai. Sejumlah contract value adalah sampai 100 million US dollar lebih, itulah. Sekarang lagi jalan. Untuk activity hari ini kita maunya jadi staff, jadi karyawan buat itu dua proyek yang sekarang ada dan proyeknya di depan. Okay, this is energy field. What we have done projects more than 400, and the total contract value is around 456 million yuan. This is our quality ability. As the EPC engineering company, we have our own certifications. This is the great, like we have achieved in China. Okay, let's continue. This is our design ability. Still design ability. This is our innovation. This is the great partners what we have done. Like the MCC, just supply, they are our partners. They do mainly they do the E, but for the P and the C part, we can do. Brand power is our sub brand of the smelting company, the smelting project, like the BPRT. It means for a blast furnace or in the smelting processing, for the waste heat and waste gas can be transformed into energy again to save the energy instead of save money. Same issue what we have done in China, like for the number 5, adalah ASU itu di Indonesia. What I taught before in VDI Park in Sulawesi Tenggara. Okay. It means the Chinese character. We will achieve our work done with the best level and the shortest period. Okay, this is the indication of what we have done in such kind of short days under so huge projects. Okay, our brand, there's recently 3 years. The national award And we are from China, Deng, Shanxi province, and the Yifu Gouda is Xi'an. The Xi'an city is what our main parent company located. Notable achievement. This is in chemical industry. Our reference. This should be a bit professional for the machines and also the designs. Still the same issue. Okay, let's go. For the metallurgical, mainly what we are going to do in Indonesia, we already have 125 sites of turnkey projects, around which 49 sites are air separation units, and 40 around is comprehensive utilization of waste heat. It means waste heat can be transferred into energy again and can be measured by economic value. This is what we have done in China. Okay. The reference. You see the belakang ada megawatt. It means from our projects or our designed integrate machines, we can save the energy if it is transformed into electricity. It should be around such big. It means for 1 kilowatt, it's a price, it's money, so we can save such kind of value for our customers. Okay. Another. Okay, it's also our achievement. Okay, we have. Okay, this is our range, like the biomass garbage, WT energy, like the industry processing, like cooling, heating, water, power supply, and air separation, wind power, hydrogen, cement skins, and other projects. The summary. Okay, this is our typical achievement. Okay, this is our Southeast Asia country reference we have covered in Indonesia, Philippines, Serbia, Thailand, and others. Okay, this one, this is what I told you guys for the air separations. As we know, the Aneka Gas Samador is the biggest Indonesia domestic air separation supplier. But for like our overseas companies, for this project, only one. Actually, we got 4. Even one capacity is already the total amount of Aneka Gas capacity in Java. Okay, for the number 5, you see the PTVDNI Water Dragon Nickel Industry. This is for our recently coal-fired power generation EPC contract, which is 380 megawatts. When it is finished, we put our engineering into the operation and the maintenance. So we got a team here. And that guy, Mr. Liu Yong, he is our general manager here, and also before he was the project manager, and he covered this one. Okay, for the Qingdao funeral, it's a Thailand project which the owner investment is from China. Okay. The power generation, operation, and maintenance is what I told you before for these 2. The 6-1, number 1 and number 2, 4 multi-fly 134, and the other one is the waste heat boilers. 没了吗？ This is our current Pt.Shaangu introduction. For this one, you can read it. Now we are located in Jakarta in peak area, and this is our current staff capacity and what we have done. this is what our PT have got in those area. The certificate. This is our reference. I mean, for the new Shaangu PT here. Still, that guy, Mr. Liu Yong, is our general manager. This is it. The reference I have described you before. Okay, this is the main part. What kind of people we are looking for? Finance manager, accounting, legal specialist, project manager, and human resources. Besides that, for me as a deputy general manager here in Indonesia, I'd also to find 2 sales manager here. If you guys who are interested in sales work also can contact me. This is our the package. At least the minimum salary and the accommodation and all kinds of allowance. You can read about all by yourselves. As we are a BUMN country, BUMN company in China, so we care a lot about our employees. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number and my email. If you are interested, if you want to go more information from our companies, you can contact me. I will send you more for React. Okay, that's all. Hello. Hello. Yeah, already done here. And whoever are interested in our company's career or jobs, we have a short time for answer your questions. Okay, we still have around 10 minutes. Whoever are interested with us or want to ask something, please go ahead to me.
That's Good afternoon, sir. My name is Harisa Marti from Bandung Institute of Technology. I'm a fresh graduate for materials engineering. So, can you please show the requirement job that you open for us in? Huh? Yes. So in page 61, I see apa you need so, huh? Yes. Hmm. Yeah. So in number 4, there are project management for material major, and I'm interested to apply in that position. So what is the requirement for me to apply in that position? The first one, and the second one, in your company, is there any self-development program like Bahasa Mandarin or yeah? Is there any self-development for the staff who want to learn Bahasa Mandarin or Chinese language? Yeah, thank you.
All right, thank you for your question and your concern about our company. Firstly, the language is not a problem. In our company, Bahasa Indonesia or Bahasa English is the first priority. And also for our Chinese employees, we are also now currently under training of Bahasa Indonesia. We will speak your own language in your own country, which is quite right. So don't worry about the language. And also like the jobs you are interested, like the project management, temporarily, the people who are already here will be used in our two project fields, one in Sulawesi, one in Kalimantan. Typically, they are all for nickel smelting process, like the leaching or RKEF, and also for these issues, not only for the smelting area, they also have the baked up power plants, and also for leaching, they will go to their own sulfide acid factory. For all those areas, you can choose. Actually, now we are quite short of local Indonesia good staff. And for all you guys, you are the new people, and you want to find a job, maybe want to together grow with our company. So we would like to, to grow with you together as long as our company can go step by step. So are you. Thank you.
Okay. Good afternoon. My name is Putu from Civil Engineering ITB. I'm a fresh graduate. My question is, do you open position for civil engineering? Because I see that mainly the projects are related to construction. However, I didn't see civil engineering in the recruitment requirements. And if so, what are the position that is open for the major? And what are the description of the job? Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Putu. Can you repeat what's your for the civil work? You know, we are a EPC company, and for the construction, civil will be a very important part. And actually, there are kind of EPC projects now currently undergoing. The civil work is also involved. So we would like to invite you to give us a CV, and we can talk in details later. You are welcome. For your second question, say again. Job description for the position. Which one? Okay. You can contact me. It's not a big problem. It's okay. Okay. Yeah. Any other questions? One or two? Then let's finish it.
Okay, thank you, sir. Good afternoon. I have some question. The first is how long does it take for the recruitment process? The second is there a training period when we start begin on the work when we joining on the Shaangu University?
You mean the process?
Yes,
and
yes.
the timeline, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Timeline
okay.
of the recruitment process, and then is there a training period? How long?
For period.
Yes,
Okay.
training period.
Training period.
Yes, yes. Yeah. How long will it take? Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thanks so much for your question. For our recruitment processing, it should be very fast. I will say from today in the following 1 week, we can get a first and second interview, and then we will decide as long as both you and our company are interested with each other and your position, it's fine here. It will be fast. 1 or 2 weeks, and within 1 month, for the whole process will be finished. For the trial period, I think it won't be. It will less than 3 months. I think 3 months is the max period. Thank you.
Para hadirin, apabila ingin bertanya, mesti dibuka sesi pertanyaan. Boleh?
Okay, then let's call it a day. And if you are interested with this job or with our company, you can send me via or email. Let's talk it later. Okay. Thank you so much. 谢谢。